Hey guys, it's JD from Eastwood. I've been using the MIG 140 a lot for my CB750 Cafe Racer project, and there's good reason for that. Not only is this a great welder featuring the latest and greatest IGBT inverter tech, metal drive rollers for smooth wire feeding, and the capability to weld up to 3/16-inch thick metal, but it also has 3 features that make it perfect for a job like this. I recently made a custom electrical tray for my bike. I came up with a great design, laid it out on a piece of 20 gauge steel, and then folded it up and got to work tack welding the corners. The MIG 140 tack weld timer made that job as easy as it could be. My tacks were quickly repeatable, and it made everything look nice and consistent. Secondly, I really like the fact that this thing is so portable. It only weighs about 25 pounds, and the welder fits in a nice compact form factor. That makes it really easy to move back and forth from the workbench over to the bike and back. Another nice touch is that this can FLUXCORE weld, making this really portable. If you wanted to, you could ditch the gas bottle altogether. Thirdly, the last thing I like is that this welder plugs right into a standard 120 volt wall outlet. So there's no need to pay extra to get a 240 outlet in the garage in order to start welding. Standard outlets, standard extension cords, and that's all you need. If you're looking for a welder to go over to a buddy's house or to the racetrack or even out to the job site, or you're just looking for a small machine for some at-home welding, this is a solid choice all around. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MIG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Also, check out our channel. We have tons of great how-to content over there you're definitely going to want to see. We'll have the MIG 140 link below. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm JD. Make sure you keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.